Hi everyone, this is Tabish Khan, your real estate broker. If you're thinking of buying, selling residential or commercial property, give me a call for free property evaluation and professional advice. Today I'm in Hamilton and this area is Red Hill Parkway. Very fine, very established area. You see the townhouse on the back. It's a freehold townhouse, corner unit, very practical, very affordable house. I'm going to give you a tour of this beautiful corner unit townhouse and then I'm going to give you detail after. Let's go inside. You see the parking. The driveway is long. You can have two car easily parked, tandem parking. Here is the foyer, single entry. You see a glass door and frame on the top. Foyer with tiles. You see the ceiling height. You take a few steps. Here is beautiful family room, great room, very good size, and you see big windows, very bright, and you see all established area. And then after, here you see powder room. Look at the size of powder room, reasonable size, upgraded countertop, nice tiles, faucet, commode, very nice. And here is coat closet, hanging shelving, and then here is stacked laundry, washer dryer. Then here is the kitchen. You see the size of kitchen, countertop upgraded, good nice cabinets. You see all the appliances, hood, oven, fridge, dishwasher, deep sink with beautiful window, good size kitchen and nice windows, making this house very bright. Round table, eat-in kitchen. You can have a straight 6-seater as well. Now let's go upstairs. There you go. As soon as you come upstairs, you see linen closet. Nice. Here is master bedroom. Reasonable size. Queen bed with the side tables. Good size. Comparing with condo. Because the price of this house, I'm comparing with a condo. If you don't want to live in a condo, you want to upgrade yourself. More space, less price, freehold. And you see the space of house. I'll show you more and then I'll give you the details. Here is ensuite, single sink, upgraded counter, and there's a window. Here is standing shower with tub, nice tiles. Then here is walk-in closet, reasonable size, shelving hanging, very nice. Then here is main washroom, single sink, upgraded counter, and here is standing shower. You see the tub. Second tub in this house, one of tub has to be removed because you have a standing shower that makes your washroom very spacious, and they are same size, I would say, this one and the other washroom. Then from here is room number 2. Very nice windows, very bright. Size for single bed or double bed with study table, very fine. And here is closet. Now go to room number 3. Nice windows. This room again for single or double bed with study table. Nothing you can do more than that. And here is the closet, reasonable size, very nice. So 3 bedrooms, 2 good size full washrooms, And master bedroom size is reasonable with queen bed. Other two rooms for single or double bed, but very practical. Living room is beautiful. There you go. You see the windows, workstation. I would say 5-6 people can sit here. You can make a separate sitting area. So then here is the patio door. And the good thing is you have backyard. Beautiful backyard. Here is mechanical room, furnace, hot water heater, and floor is engineered wood. And this door is for inside garage. It's a blessing to have inside garage, especially in winter. Here is storage. Hope you like the tour of this beautiful freehold townhouse. You don't have to have any PTOL fee or any condo fee. Red Hill Parkway, walking distance. QEW, 3 kilometers from here. Park, schools, shopping. It's a very fine area, established area. This house is ideal for first-time home buyers, people who want to downsize. I have 2-3 units available. This is the corner unit and 2 other units are middle unit, starting from $649,000. If you are first-time home buyer, you can get 13% government rebate, 5% for federal and 8% provincial. Call me if you're interested. I have other options available as well: 2-story, townhouse, semi-detached, detached house, bungalow, farmhouse in Hamilton area, Brant region, Niagara region, Greater Toronto area. Take advantage of this buyer market. I have very professional mortgage partners who can help you with your mortgage approval as well. If you want to sell your property, I can list, make a home tour like this and present in front of right people who are searching an area to get you the top dollars. If you like this home tour, like, subscribe and share. I can be reached at 416-475-7777. Talk to you soon.